I just got a new log splitter from Pastore Co. They're a Sydney-based Australian manufacturer of Bobcat and skid steer implements. Just got this because I'd like to make it a bit easier to split timber since we go through quite a bit here, and we've got pretty hard Australian wood, so your average log splitter doesn't really cut it. This thing glides through pretty easy. We've got about 10 minutes experience so far, but I just thought I'd share how it works and the pros and cons. So my machine's pretty small. I think it's 2.2 tonne. It handles it no problem, even though it's a really solid construction. It weighs about 400 kilos. These tread plates I thought were a bit dangerous at first, but they're actually quite good. This morning when it was really dewy, it would have been really slippery if I didn't have them on there, so that really adds to the grip. You can see super solid construction. I don't think I'll be bending or breaking that anytime soon. This lifts up and down so that you can knock logs around with the front post. But I think I'll get a six-way blade for it, depending on how I go. If I'm splitting small logs, sometimes some bits come a bit bigger than what I'd like, and then you have to split them again. I think the six-way splitter would be much better. I've got one large fireplace and one small one, so I generally like to make them a bit smaller so that they fit in both fireplaces. I haven't had it strain on anything yet, and this is some kind of Australian, it's either an ironbark, it's some kind of gum. It bleeds very red. So I just thought I'd show a little video on how it works and a bit of an explanation.